itong Jubilee Year. Tapos ikaw yung boses. Ikaw yung ano. So, saan nanggagaling yung inspiration mo to create songs or to be the voices ng mga kantang yon that will really inspire the Filipinos?
Kasi first and foremost, talagang mahal ko ang Pilipinas eh. Talagang yun yung medyo OA nga, pero talagang mahal ko ang Philippines. Siguro lahat tayo, para tayo maging isang bayan na nagkakaisa, talagang dapat mo na mahalin natin ang Pilipinas. And from the very start, yun ang gusto kong mangyari. Ayokong pumasok ng politiko, pero ang gusto ko, ang aim ko talaga, makatulong sa bawat Pilipino. Yun sana. So in my own little way, without publishing it, I do my own thing. But the only thing that I could do to help out most of the Filipinos is by uniting them in songs. In the songs that I sing, in the songs that I write. So yun ang inspiration ko, being a Filipino.
Pero this one po, with the People Visit 2015, ano yung feeling nyo? Kasi kayo po ba ang agad nalapitan na parang, Miss Jamie, kayo yung kakanta for the 2015 People Visit sa Philippines. So, how does it feel?
Actually, hindi. Ako yung nag-apply. Oo. Ako yung, the moment kasi nalalaman namin na darating ang Pope, as early as May, narinig na namin that the Pope will be arriving for January. So, ako mismo yung nilakasan ko yung loob ko kay Archbishop Soc Villegas. Suntok sa buwan, sabi ko, Father, pwede po ba ako magsulat ng kanta for the Papal Visit? And he said, sige, gumawa ka. So, ginawa ko yung kanta. Sabi ko sa kanya, Father, ano po yung theme natin? Gumawa ka ng song na Solidarity with the Poor, Mercy to the Weak. Mercy and compassion. So, meron na kagad akong theme. So, other than aside from that, he asked me also to make the action video. So, package yun. Nasabi niya, pag gagawa ka ng kanta, kailangan may action video na. So, what I did, I wrote the song, I wrote the lyrics. I did it for 2 weeks, non-stop of reading, writing, researching. And then after that, pag natapos ko na yung song, I gave it to Noel Espinida. Siya din yung partner ko doon sa Kuya Pedro, na ginawa namin kanta for the canonization of Saint Pedro Calungsod. Nag-collaborate na kami. And then after, to make the story short, after that, binalik namin kay Bishop Soc Villegas. Tapos sabi niya, gawan nyo na action video. So, nag-action video na kami. And then later on, sabi niya sa amin, bilisan niyo yung tema. Masyado mabagal. So, it's a collaboration between me, Archbishop Soc Villegas, Noel Espinida, and Ligaya ng Panginoon Community Group. Kasi sila yung gumawa ng action video. So, collaboration namin lahat yon. And then finally, Archbishop Soc Villegas said that it was approved. Finally, it's going to be the official theme song. From what I heard, it was sent to Vatican, and then it was approved by the Vatican. Yun. So, hindi ko na alam kung may nagsabit na iba, or merong ibang song sa pinagpilian. Basta, nung hindi na in-elaborate sa akin ni Bishop Soc, basta sabi niya, you'll be very happy, Jamie, because we've decided to make this, We Are All God's Children, the official theme song for the People Visit. Yes.
Sean?
In addition to what you were saying, okay, yung inspiration, okay, aside from loving the Filipinos, the thing that really inspired me in writing this song, kasi sinabi ko nga kanina, di ba, for 2 weeks I've been researching, I've been listening to music, to my old songs, the Jubilee, Only Selfless Love, Heal Our Land. I'm trying to get a formula out of it. I read the Bible, I read prayer books, nanood ako na YouTube. Ang dami kong ginawang researches. But after all those things, medyo nakukulangan pa rin ako. So what I did was, I went out of the house, di ba? Tapos as we were driving along, going towards Green Hills, doon makikita mo na ang dami ng bata na nasa streets, tapos natutulog sila sa pavements, tapos na namamali mo sa car. Doon pa lang, sabi ko, ito na yun. Ito na yun. So suddenly I said, I will write the first 2 lines of my songs. Do you see these children on the streets? Have you walked the pavements where they sleep? Do you feel their hands when you give them alms? Di ba? Pag nagbibigay sa atin? Did you ever give them bread to eat? Yun. So, it's very literal. So, yun yung pinaka-inspiration talaga na nakuha ko in writing the first stanza. And then I went back to to the reason why the Pope will be visiting us in January. The reason why he's coming over is because he wanted to visit the victims of Yolanda. So I said, I think we should go to that point. And so I remembered what I wrote what I remember seeing on TV, like yung raging storm, and the people are holding the children, the mothers are holding their children. Diba? Teka, wait second stanza of the song. Which one is this? Hold on, sorry. No.
Second stanza.
Yun, ano yun? Pagkakalimutan ko.
Do you see the home?
Yun, kasi sorry ano na ako eh. Do you see the homes washed by the floods? Or while the mother tightly holds her child? Do you feel the wind of the raging storm? Can you tell them where it's coming from? Kasi how do you comfort them? Can you tell them, where is this coming from? Saan ba nanggagaling talaga to, di ba? And then, coming from, let us go, what's the next lyrics? Love and mercy with your kindness, with true kindness and humility. Kasi the Pope is known for being, for helping a lot of people with joy, diba? So I wrote there and humility. So that's what I wrote there. I include humility and true kindness and all that. So I thought of the characteristics of the Pope. So tapos sabi ko na yun na, we are all God's children, we are all the same. He is calling us by name to help the poor and lame and learn what life is really for. Ito rin naalala ko na ano ba tinuro sa akin yung grade 1? It's to know and love and serve the Lord. That is the whole theme, di ba? That the reason why God is always there, why God exists, is for why we exist and why we exist together with the Lord is because He wants us to know and love and serve Him. And how do we serve God? Is through serving our neighbors. Yun. So, yun na yun. And then the last stanza, sabi ko, di ba ako kontento? Ano bang last stanza nun? Serve the Lord. Please do not be blind and just leave them behind and to struggle in darkness or give them empty promises. Kasi hindi ba, marami sa atin, sad to say, but marami sa atin nangangako, maraming pinangako, and hindi naman natutupad, di ba? So, wag natin silang papangakuan, especially the poor people. Wag natin silang papangakuan ng hindi natin pwedeng magawa. Kasi kawawa na nga sila in the first place eh. Yun na lang pinangahawakan nila sa atin, hope. Di ba? And ibigay na natin sa kanila yon. So, that is the whole message of the song. So, that answers your question. That, yun na yun. What really inspired me in writing this particular song. Yeah.
Question? Gracie?
Isa rin po ba sa mga kinonsider nyo while writing the song, yung parang madali siyang sabayan since most of the kids talaga pinakabisado din nila yung people song?
Oh yes. Isang factor kasi, yun madali sa akin yun eh. Kasi I've always been a songwriter. So, it has to be melody-wise, very commercial. Tapos, yung madaling matandaan, may recall. Yun, doon, ginamit ko na yung Jubilee song, Only Selfless Love. Ano ba yung formula? Yung mga gano'n na, dapat na, ano ng mga bata. Dapat na susundan ka agad ng mga bata. And I would like to give credits to Ligaya ng Panginoon Community Group for doing the action video. Yun. Kasi yun talagang, one of the members, Landa Campos, Landa 1, he was a former member of, Penthouse Live. So, choreographer siya talaga nung bata pa siya. So, ginawa niya yung actions. If you notice, medyo, ang ganda na very graceful yung pagkakagawa kasi dancer talaga siya. So, pero binase namin talaga actually kung ano yung sinasabi ng kanta. And good enough that actually Archbishop Sok Villegas approved it. He liked it. So now I'm happy that a lot of people are singing along with it, with the actions, mga bata. So happy ako.
Ching?
During the last people visit, yung World Youth Day,
Yes.
alam natin na napakalakas ng impact nun sa, lalo na sa Filipinos, especially yung sa mga youth. So, what do you expect yung next visit ni Pope for January? Ano mga expectations mo, especially with your nagagamitin ng song mo?
Ang expectation ko, hindi ko alam. What I am hoping is that that a lot of people would be able to relate to the song and would be able to apply it even after the Pope leaves. Kasi parang sana hindi lang tayo magkaisa habang nandito ang Pope. Kundi sana may message siyang maiwan sa atin. Diba? The same with the song, ina-expect ko na even after na umalis na ang Pope, ma-retain yung message sa atin. That we're all God's children and that we should help other people, our neighbors. And yun. Ina-expect ko malaki. Malaki ang ano nito, malaki ang magiging scope nito. Kung gaano, if we will compare it to the previous papal visit, siguro hindi ko sure, di ba? Hindi ko sure. Depende 'yon. But it's going to be big. Di ba gano'n naman talaga tayo mga Filipinos, talagang pag sinabi mong papa, talagang dagsayan eh. So, talagang we're expecting a lot of people and crowd, and it's going to be spectacular. But can I tell you something? Can I correct something? I was not the one who sang the Tell the World of His Love. Okay, hindi ako ang kumanta nun. Ang kumanta nun, I forgot the name of the girl, but the male singer, it was sung by parang Jeff Arcilla. Okay, siya yung kumanta. No, it wasn't Chris Belyonco. It wasn't. I talked to Trina Belamide. Tinanong ko, I forgot the name of the girl, pero hindi siya celebrity.
Tingnan mo na lang yun.
Parang kaibigan lang niya, but it was some Jeff Arcilla who sang it. I only sang the Tell the World of His Love as a song, part of the album of the Jubilee song, or only Selfless Love. In-include lang namin. So it's a misconception. So akala ng maraming tao, ako yung kumanta ng Tell the World of His Love sa World Youth Day dito. And I do not want to claim the song kasi hindi talaga ako kumanta nun. So, yeah.
Hi, I'm Ayan. Question ka lang. I-expect po ba namin kayo na to perform the song in front of the during his visit here? Like,
I hope so. Ako din. Ako din, nag-hope pa rin ako. Although, nakakuha naman ako ng invitation. Nakakuha na ako ng invitation. Pero hindi pa pwedeng i-reveal kasi para sa yan, para sa security ng papa. So, siguro pag pag malapit na, i-announce na nila. Kasi pabago-bago din sila eh. Pabago-bago din sila dahil hindi nila pwedeng i-reveal lahat kagad-kagad. You know what's happening, di ba? Pero yung mga hindi natin gusto mangyari sa Pope, yun. Sinisecure natin yung kanyang itinerary. Yes.
Si Trina Belamide.
Belamide. Siya yung writer. Trina Belamide was the writer of Tell the World of His Love. But the one who sang it was Jefferson and somebody else.
Okay, Gracie?
You were tagged as the inspirational diva. Do you think that it's like at God's calling too, that you are able to write inspirational songs just like the people's?
I think so.
Karin?
Yeah, I think so. I call it divine providence. it is a calling.
With the album, Darwin, paano yung collaboration ng Star Records? Star Records will be the official distributor of the album, ba?
Yes. Since Miss Jamie
Mm-mm.
was the one who sang the song, so ginawa na namin siyang album and nag-add lang kami ng mga ibang Catholic song pa for the album. Ayun. Pero kami talaga yung parang official na magdi-distribute nito sa lahat. iTunes and sa
And all music
physical.
sites.
Oo.
Yeah. So far, are we expecting other artists or Star Record artists singing the other songs ba?
Oh yes, definitely.
Yes. We have Morissette,
Jed Madela, okay,
Ayun.
okay, Rizal Garcia,
Ayun, Rizal Garcia.
Jed Madela and Angeline Pinto, Janela Salvador, Isa Sidera, Fatima Soriano, Eric Santos, Morissette, Amon, Robert Senya and Julius Fernandez, and myself.
Yan.
Tapos,
Si Miss Jamie din kasi ang album
Producer.
Kasama ko sa dami. Kaya kabisado ko kasi lahat siya nakukumota sa
Tumitingin
kanya.
kami, akala namin.
Akala namin kayo lang po ang nakakakita.
Ganda, hindi kabisado kasi ako album producer.
So it's your personal choice to get them or Star Records? Like sila Morris, sila Jed?
Ano
Nag-take
din?
din si Madam eh.
Personal choice din. And personal and with Star
Mr.
Records.
Records na
Advice of And aside from We're All God's Children, we also have a song that I wrote also for the Pope, also together with Noel Espinida. It's entitled Our Dearest Pope. Ito yung kasi ang We're All God's Children, yan yung mga for the world, for the Filipinos, for the world, para sa atin. Our Dearest Pope, yun talagang for the Pope talaga. Yun yung dedicated to talaga sa kanya yung song na yun for him. And then, Papa Francisco, mabuhay po kayo. Masaya yan eh. Oh, yan masaya yung kanta na yan. This is for the arrival of the
We
Pope.
can, Madam, play the Papa Francisco.
Okay.
Yung para po ito sa arrival ni Pope.